the turbine shaft, or some people call it the input shaft. Right. If I do it like that, how's that? Outside perimeter of here, and you're going to locate the openings. Like there's my openings right here on the inside rim. So we're going to locate the opening and like that. Alright, let's put this to the side. Alright guys, the next thing you gotta do is remove, there's a snap ring. Alright, put it through. Now these arms right here onto, and as you squeeze the handle, it opens up. I don't know if that went in all the way. Before you put your snap ring in there before you put the tool on. Alright, went with the inside going up, and this way is the inside going down. Let me see. Oh, let me try that again. Alright, now we're going to take out the internal ring gear. Yeah, buddy. The little one, get some good here.